I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 24. Okay, I have chained 24. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, and in each stitch all the way across the chain. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops. And go ahead and single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and I have 23 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. This chain 1 takes the place of the first stitch. So I'm going to start working in this stitch, and I'm only going to work in the back side of the stitch. And I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. All the way down the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, and I'm going to repeat that row for 3 more times, which will be a total of 5 rows. So it'll be chain 1, and you're going to work again in the back side of the stitch and single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. So you're going to do that so that you have a total of 5 rows. Okay, I have my 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm going to slip stitch to join the 2 ends and form a tube. So you're just going to place the stitches together and work across the row, slip stitch and close. So now I'm going to fold this in half, I bring it up like this, and I'm going to slip stitch all the way around, closing it up. So just go all the way around. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around and pull the yarn end inside. And then I'll open this up so that the slip stitch seam is in the center on the inside. Like that. And that's your first one. And now you're going to go ahead and make another rectangle. Okay, I have my next rectangle finished. So you're just going to take the first one, pass this rectangle through, and then slip stitch across the row. Now take that yarn end and tuck it inside, fold this in half, all the way around, and slip stitch. Like that. So finish all the way around. Find the slip stitch at the very beginning and slip stitch, fasten off. And here you have the continuous chain links, and you're just going to keep adding more additional rings and interlocking each one as you go until you have the scarf as long as you would like it to be. And that's how easy it is to crochet this chain link scarf. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.